Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada with you again today. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do go to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload. Yes, today I'll be sharing with you guys on the basic cake tools you should have. Yes, the basic cake tools you should have. There are also advanced tools, but in this video I will be sharing on the basics you should have, as a baker. The basic cake tools you should have as a baker, or as anyone that loves baking. um the first here is called measuring cups and spoons. They come in shapes and sizes, and their measurements is written on them. All right, so cake making is not done by intuition. You have to measure every bit of your ingredients to get an accurate result, to get a very good result. All right, so here are the cups. Like I said, they come in sizes. So the next here is called icing pump. This is basically used for buttercream um icing technique, or butter icing. All right, so they come with nozzles which have different effects. You have side effect, you have writing effect, the ones you use for writing, and all of that. Hope you guys are seeing it. So they have different effects. So when you scoop in your icing into the pump, you fix in the nozzle of choice and you design your cake. All right, and that is it for this. The next is called fondant cutters. This comes in shape fondant cutters. Hope you guys are seeing it. So basically used for fondant icing techniques. When you place this, press it in into your fondant, it gives you this shape. All right, and this is teardrop. Yes, it is teardrop. So this is for fondant icing. All right, this is called wheel cutter, used for trimming the edges of your fondant, basically used for fondant icing techniques. This is alphabet cutters, also used for fondant icing, to cut out your alphabets. All right, this is B. So when you place it on your fondant and press it in, it gives you B. This is F. When you place it on your fondant, it gives you F, and so on. So these are called alphabet cutters, basically used for fondant icing. All right, so the next here is called spatula, easy to scoop your buttercream um on the cake. All right, it can also serve as a smoother. All right, the next is called whisk, egg whisk. We use to whisk our egg during cake making. All right, this is called rolling pin, easy to spread our fondant. All right, so they use it this way to spread the fondant before covering it, um or placing it on the cake rather. The next is designing rolling pin. You guys are seeing this effect. So when you place this on your fondant, it gives you this effect. The previous one was a plain rolling pin, while this is called designing rolling pin. All right. The next here is called smoother, basically used for fondant icing technique. So after covering your cake, you use this to smoothen, you know, the fondant, or the cake, yes, to give you a perfect um finish. So the next here is called, we all know this is called sifter. You use it to sift your flour and other dry ingredients. Remember, you must sift. Yes, it's very necessary in cake making. You must sift your flour to trap particles. This is called measuring tape. Yes, this helps to minimize waste. You have to measure your cake to your fondant to give you the accurate measurement so as not to waste your fondant. Yes, this is called cake pan. So this is where we scoop in the cake batter. After mixing the cake batter, we scoop it in here, then bake. All right. So it's called cake pan. So this is a basic cake tool you should have. While this is called um cake board. All right. So after baking your cake, you transfer to the board, and you also design your cake on the board. The last is called I use this as a mixer to accommodate everyone. For those that cannot afford a mixer for now, you can use this, all right, as your mixer. All right, you can use this as a mixer and all of that. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in my next video. Bye.